Bad news for Sunita Williams, Butch Wilmore. Wait to return home gets longer for Sunita Williams. NASA delays space rescue mission. When and how will Williams return home? What is hindering IndiaOrigin Astronaut's return? IndiaOrigin Astronaut, Sunita Williams will remain stuck in space for a few more months as NASA has again changed its rescue plan. The astronauts will have to spend more time on the International Space Station and will remain there at least until late March 2025. Veteran astronauts Butch Wilmore and Sunita Williams arrived at the ISS in June 2024 aboard Boeing's Starliner spacecraft and were due to spend 8 days in the orbiting Labarator. However, problems arose with the Starliner's propulsion system during the flight there, so the space agency made a major change in plans. Following intensive testing of the Starliner, NASA opted to return the spacecraft to Earth without its crew. Instead, Wilmore and Williams were slated to return home aboard a SpaceX Crew Dragon spacecraft as part of the Crew 9 mission, which arrived at the ISS in late September 2024. Crew 9, consisting of 2 astronauts, brought along 2 empty seats in the Dragon spacecraft for Wilmore and Williams. The plan had been for the 4 astronauts to return to Earth in February 2025. However, NASA now says the launch of Crew 10, which will replace Crew 9 and relieve Wilmore and Williams, has been delayed until no earlier than March 2025. This adjustment will allow NASA and SpaceX to finalize preparations for a new Dragon spacecraft. Remember, people were concerned about Williams' health, especially after images of her gaunt appearance, where she looked weaker and thinner, triggering concerns of rapid weight loss. Remember, IndiaOrigin NASA astronaut Williams and her fellow astronaut Barry Wilmore have been at the International Space Station for months now. The duo had launched aboard Boeing's Starliner spacecraft on June 5, 2024 for its first crewed flight, and arrived at the space station on June 6. What initially started as a quick 8-day mission has turned into a challenging endurance test for NASA astronaut Sunita Williams, all because of a Boeing Starliner glitch. Williams and Wilmore's prolonged mission began when a small helium leak was detected in the Boeing Starliner spacecraft. The problem had initially reportedly seemed manageable. However, the situation worsened as more leaks were discovered, coupled with the failure of 5 crucial thrusters. Despite efforts to manage these issues, the situation has left Williams and Wilmore stranded in space far longer than anticipated.